So guys, today I'm sharing how to bake asparagus perfectly with a good and perfect taste. So we're gonna take the asparagus and I washed it earlier. I'm gonna open this guy up and I'm gonna share a very simple, easy recipe. First thing, we're gonna olive oil on top, just like that. We're gonna take garlic powder, some black pepper powder, and some salt. As you guys can see, this is the most easiest recipe for the asparagus, and now we're gonna just spread these asparagus on the baking tray, just like that. Alright, so they are all spread up on this baking tray. Now we're gonna just put them for the bake at least for 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes and I'm pretty sure these guys are done. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another great recipe. Until then, bye now.